Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today I'm trying out a cool new piece of tech, the Mobile Pixel Trio Max. It allows adding extra displays to your laptop in an easy manner. I already have it installed on my laptop, so let's check it out. This is the Mobile Pixel Trio Max, a novel way to add more monitors to your laptop. I had reviewed the CloudWalk portable external monitor earlier, but this one makes it easier to carry around as it's attached to your laptop. I have only one display, but you can get two for the triple screen mobile setup. Once you open the box, we have an instruction card. Looks simple enough. Under that, we have the monitor itself, which we'll get to in a bit. Next, we have another template which is to be used only if you are changing the magnets. Won't a template be a better choice? Let's see what else we have. A small box with an alcohol wipe, stickers for the magnets, and a manual. Opens up like so. A coupon code, if you guys can use it, great. Here are the magnets themselves, and they are neodymium magnets, so they're strong. We have a USB-C to USB-A cable, but this USB-A side is convertible and is actually a USB-C cable. This clip is required when you're installing two trios together for a 3-monitor setup. Now for the monitor and the patient. This is my Lenovo Legion 5 gaming laptop, and the monitor will be attached to it. The monitor is quite light. I expected it to weigh more, but it's not that heavy. We have these metal strips on the back. This allows for some leeway if you want to move the monitor a bit to the left or right. Let's get the laptop ready for installation. Clean the top with the provided alcohol wipe. Now for the magnets. It has the sticker on the back. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Find the best location to install the monitor, as we need to make the laptop screen open up and also that the slide out screen can angle out. Now to install it, I am adding the magnets to the screen and placing it at a position I know the laptop monitor can open. The Trio is supposed to be installed with it touching the table, but as my laptop has a protrusion for the ports on the back, it had to be installed higher. Peel off the white stickers of the magnets and now align it to the back of the laptop at the right height. Once aligned, force on the 4 sides to securely attach it to the laptop's monitor. There, it's attached, and now when you open up the laptop, the monitor comes up with it. Cool, now we can pull out the screen like so. The mount does have a bit of customizability, as the plate can move a bit to the right or left on the magnets, shift it to the left or right as required, and the screen can be folded in. There are two USB-C ports on the side, and the monitor comes with USB-C to USB-A/USB-C converter cable. Attach the USB-C cable to the monitor and the USB-C end to your laptop if it supports it, and the screen draws the power and the display signals of this single cable. Power is drawn from your laptop's battery, so this would add to faster battery drain if the laptop is not connected to the mains power. If your laptop doesn't have USB-C ports, then the USB-A cable should work for power and display too. For it to work via USB-A, you do need to install a driver. A link can be found in the description if you're trying to find it for your setup. Now that the screen is set up, let's get to the specs. The screen has a Full HD 1080p resolution with 60Hz refresh rate and 300 nits of max brightness. The screen is 14.1 inches, which is smaller than my 15.6-inch laptop screen. There are multiple size options available on the site, but I picked up the model for the 15 to 16-inch laptops. The 17-inch model also seems to be 14.1 inches. The screen is quite clear and the colors are not bad at all. I feel most users purchasing this would use it for their laptops, but it works with other devices too, which is a plus. Being USB-C, you can use laptops of course, and also Android phones, Nintendo Switch, and I also tested it with the Steam Deck. Basically any device that has USB-C display output. When used with flagship Samsung phones, this is a great portable screen to use with decks, giving you a full desktop experience. Other Android phones will mirror the screen onto the display, which is still not a bad thing. The screen also has a gyroscope within, which orients the display to the correct orientation. So I can use the monitor on any side and it would automatically rotate right side up. Presentation mode is also available when you can turn the screen 180 degrees, allowing us to share the screen with others. And we can also detach the monitor as they're only held down by magnets. And we can also place them vertically. We have capacitive buttons on the side of the monitor. The top and bottom controls the brightness, and the middle button is for the OSD or menu button, which allows for more options to be changed on the monitor, such as contrast, saturation, color temperature, eye care mode, which is to help reduce eye strain, and also G sensor toggle. Under that, we also have reset, which resets to factory settings, and exit. For normal office use, I found the screen to be adequate, as in 1080p resolution is not that high res, and being only 60Hz might not appeal to gamers. It is made of plastic, so you need to be careful with it. It does add a few inches to your laptop, so if you have a gaming laptop like this one, it's going to make it even thicker. And also there are no speakers on this monitor, so if you're connecting a game console, you will need another audio output method. Also, it does install a bit higher on my gaming laptop as there's a ports bump, but what it's designed for, it does well. It's easy to set up and start using. If you use USB-C, it would work just plug and play, but if you're using the USB-A cable, make sure to install the driver. The magnets allow for easy removal when not required, and also this whole monitor can slide left or right a bit, making sure you get the optimum position. Usability with a wide variety of devices is a plus. I could use it with my Steam Deck, my phone too, which makes it a one-stop display solution for all my devices. It does work with Macs, but as I don't have one, I could not test it out. But laptops, Chromebooks, as long as you're using a USB-C device, it will work out of the box. When using it for productivity such as video editing, the extra screen is a godsend. Even coding, having more vertical space allows for more readability. Also, if you want to watch tutorials while coding, having the tutorial on one screen while working on your laptop monitor is a plus, and you don't need to keep switching between screens. Gaming, casual gaming is fine. I wouldn't suggest this one for esports. Video playback was smooth and the colors seemed right too. The build quality is fine. Considering the price, I would have liked it to be more sturdy. If it was made of metal, it would be stronger, but it would also add to the weight and also the price. And if you want something thinner, Mobile Pixels do have their Duo model, which is thinner, but you cannot use it for a 3-screen setup attached to the laptop. They also have the Geminos, which is a dual-screen desktop monitor, which is a better bet if you keep your monitor in one place and need 2 additional screens. The Mobile Pixels Trio Max is a good choice if you want additional screens which also attach to your laptop. It works using a single cable and is easy to set up and also looks cool. And it can be easily stashed into your backpack and carried around with you. And another note, when importing to India, the customs duty is like 100% the price of the monitor. So I was unlucky this time and I had to pay the whole amount. Just a word of caution there. Links to the product can be found in the description if you would like to pick one up for yourselves. Do you use a dual or triple screen setup? What do you use? Would you like to upgrade to something like this? Something like the Mobile Pixel Trio? Make sure to comment below. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.